Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out a new Maybelline makeup, but before we get into all of these goodies, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. I have a brand spanking new giveaway for all of you guys, so I'm going to be putting the mechanics in the description box, so I hope you guys can join. So now let's get into all of this beautiful new makeup from Maybelline. This is the card that comes with it. So we have Gigi Hadid looking stunning with a mask and without a mask. So it says here, these are the new Superstay Matte Ink Rogue Reds. It is a 16-hour mask-proof mattes. Wow, 16 hours is a long time. So now it is in 7 new wearable warm reds. So those are the new colors that are out. So it comes in gritty, standout, dauntless, frontrunner, unconventional, achiever, and extraordinary. So those are the new 7 shades. So it also says here that this is a liquid lipstick that stays on your lips for up to 16 hours. So you definitely won't need to retouch. It is mask-proof, transfer-proof, and fade-proof. Wow, that's a lot of proof right there. So this Superstay Matte Ink will be your new best friend for makeup that won't wear off while wearing a mask throughout the day. Wow, this is a lot of claims, and I'm actually super excited to test out just how mask-proof, transfer-proof, and fade-proof this really is. So this one is actually available on Lazada. It's available right now, so if you guys want to order, feel free to check it out on Lazada. These are the 7 new shades in the Rogue Reds collection, and I was actually thinking of doing a swatch party type of video, but I found so many awesome swatch videos already available online, so I'm just gonna be linking my favorites down below if you guys want to see a swatch video. But for today's video, I really want to test out, you know, the foolproof, mask-proof, smudge-proof formula of these new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. Look at this shade range. These are beautiful, beautiful colors, and I cannot wait to try these out. I'm actually a big fan of Maybelline lip products. I'm actually wearing the Maybelline Clay Crush lipstick on my lips right now, and I cannot wait to try out this formula. I've actually never tried this particular formula, this Superstay Matte Ink formula. I've never tried liquid lipstick from Maybelline, so I'm so excited to try this out. So looking at all of the shades, the one I am most drawn to is Frontrunner. This is what I'm going to be testing out today. This is the shade 300 Frontrunner. I just really like the shade because it has this beautiful burnt orange, rusty type of vibe to it, and I feel like I'm really gonna like the shade on my skin tone, so this is what we're gonna go with. Let's open her up. This is how it looks like. That is the doe foot. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. I love that smell. Wow, I cannot wait to put this all over my lips, and I have to stop myself from eating it. Wow, this doe foot looks really good. It has a beautiful shape, and it even has like a little pocket in the middle so that more product can just stay in that pocket and you don't have to keep dipping into the product to get a lot of product. But you know, let's see how this glides on the lips. This is how the shade Frontrunner looks on my lips. I really love the shade. I think it's very beautiful. This is the shade of red that I would actually wear. It's not too bold, but you know, it's still a beautiful shade of red. And my favorite part about this is the formula. At first, it felt a bit sticky on my lip, but it's starting to dry down and it feels really, really good, really comfortable. Usually my problem with other liquid lipsticks is that it's so drying on the mouth, like it just feels so drying, and then it emphasizes a lot of the creases of my lip. This one is actually very, very comfortable, and my lips look really good. Now the great thing about this applicator is that the middle part really does hold a lot of product. So this was just one dip and I was able to cover my entire lip, and there is still product left on the applicator. And the formula itself it's so pigmented. It actually covered so much, and I can't even see my real lips through this, and it's not patchy at all. I actually went over my lips multiple times. That is how much product was left on this doe foot, but I actually went over my lips multiple times and there was no patchiness. I didn't have any issues at all, so it was just something that was so easy to use. It's so easy to glide on, and because of the shape of this applicator, because of the tip, I was even able to overline my lips. It was actually a very easy thing to do, and I really like how my lips look right now. And I even made a mistake at some point, but I was able to, you know, still fix it up before it dried down. So overall, I really like this whole experience. It smells so good, it feels so good on the lips, and the shade is actually pretty amazing. I honestly never thought I would end up liking a red shade because I usually go for nude colors. But this, I mean, this looks pretty good. I don't know how long it takes for this to dry down, but I feel like it's already dried down and it still feels really good on the lips. It doesn't feel drying at all, which is something I was really worried about, because usually with matte liquid lipsticks, my lips just feel like a desert. So I'm happy that this formula doesn't do that to my lips. I'm actually pleasantly surprised that this feels really good, and the formula is just, wow, it's even more amazing than I thought it would be. So now for the real test, I'm gonna be testing out the Superstayness of this liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of different tests. So the first one is the kiss test. I sadly do not have anyone to kiss right now, so I'm just gonna be kissing myself. You know, self-love is very important. You know what? Don't ever be ashamed if you guys kiss yourself, if you love yourself. You do you. Alright, so let's test the smudge proofness of this liquid lipstick. Alright, so I kissed my hand right here and I see a little bit of transfer, but it's actually not a lot and it's not even noticeable. I don't even know if you guys can see it because I can hardly see it. And it's just like a few little micro dots right there. So yeah, this is pretty transfer proof. I mean, look at my hand. Like, this looks pretty clean. The next test I'm gonna do is the mask test. Now, this is one of the biggest claims that this product has, that it is in fact mask proof and it's not gonna stick to your mask. So that's what I'm gonna be testing out today. Alright, I feel like this is the front. Yes, I feel like this is the front, and the white part is the one that sticks to your mouth. Alright, so let me just fit this to my nose. Alright, so let's test it out. So when you wear the mask, you're actually going to be talking a lot and, you know, moving your mouth a lot. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And you breathe in and then you breathe out, so it does stick to your lip at certain points of the day. So yeah, I think this is good. So let's check the mask. Alright, so my foundation is definitely not transfer proof here, so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's foundation right here from my nose, and there's a little bit of transfer from the lips. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just really minimal, and it's not even like super red. It's just a little bit of transfer. So yeah, I mean, I can definitely see myself wearing this under a mask, and then when you remove your mask, you have a beautiful red color on your lip, you know, which I think is pretty cool. And it would be nice too if, you know, they could see the color through the mask, but you know, they can't. So yeah, I think this is pretty mask proof as well. I mean, yeah, there's like a little bit over here, but I mean, it's not a lot, and there's actually more foundation on this than lipstick. For the next test, I'm gonna be drinking water, which is something you guys should be doing every single day. You should be drinking as much water as you can. It's just good for your body, it's good for your soul. It's just a great thing to do every single day. So I'm gonna drink this water and I'm gonna see if it transfers to the glass. That is how much water I can drink. Alright, so looking at the glass, I see, okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a few dots, like really minimal, micro, mini dots. I'm running out of mini words. All right, so there's just a little bit, and that's it. I mean, look at that. The glass is still clean, and you know, I'm the type who really hates it when lipstick sticks to a glass, so this is pretty transfer proof. For the last and final test, we're gonna be testing these lips on ice cream. I really love eating ice cream, and I hate it so much that my lipstick ends up on the ice cream and I end up eating it. So I'm hoping that this lipstick does not transfer on this ice cream. It's one of my favorites. This is the Tiger Sugar Boba ice cream. It's amazing. You guys should try it. All right, so we have the ice cream right here, so let's see if it transfers to the ice cream. Here's hoping it does. This is good, and there's also no transfer. You guys see that? I put my lip right there, no transfer. I'm gonna kiss it. Wow, look at that. Nothing. It's still white, and I'm not eating my lipstick. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I have to buy more shades of this lipstick. This is amazing. And the lipstick still looks good. It's not fading or anything, even though I'm eating ice cream and I drank water. You know what, let's check it. Wow, this looks the same. It looks exactly the same as the first time I put it on. This is amazing. Overall, I am impressed with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. It is amazing. It went through so many different tests and it passed every single test. My favorite one was the ice cream test, because that's really the one that's most important to me, because I don't want to eat food that has my lipstick on it, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I super love the formula. It's such a great formula, and the shades are really beautiful. This shade in particular, I love it on my skin tone, so if we have the same skin tone, maybe you'll like this one on yourself. I love the smell. It smells so good. It smells so yummy. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. I kid you not. I wanted to lick this off my lips, but since it is transfer proof and smudge proof, I can't even do that. And I also really love the formula. It's very comfortable on the lips, but at the same time, it doesn't dry my lips, which a lot of liquid lipsticks do. So overall, I am really loving this liquid lipstick, and I highly recommend it to you guys. And I actually had so much fun testing it out. I mean, it had a lot of big claims. I am so happy that this liquid lipstick passed every single test that I tested it on today. This is something that I'll definitely keep wearing, even though I don't really wear a liquid lipstick a lot, but just the fact that this really does stay. I mean, that's why it's called Superstay. That is something I really love, and I want to get this in so many more shades. So if you guys want to try this out, feel free to head on over to Lazada, or you can also join my giveaway. I'm actually giving away an entire Rogreds collection. Special shout out to Maybelline. Thank you guys so much for sending me the entire collection. I had such a great time testing it out, and I am so happy that I found a great liquid lipstick formula that actually stays on my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!